Hey, welcome back everyone to another episode of Bill Hanna Baking. Today we're going to make some delicious banana bread. Let's start by setting your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're also going to need a loaf pan. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of unsalted butter that's softened or melted, half a cup of granulated white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs that are beaten, 3 overripe bananas that are mashed well, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and some fixins that are optional, chocolate chips or walnuts. First, we're going to mix together your dry ingredients, so that's the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Make sure they're well mixed together. Then we're going to cream our butter and our sugars. Once that's well mixed, you're going to add your eggs, as well as the bananas and optional vanilla. Make sure that's mixed well together, because once you incorporate the dry ingredients, you're not going to want to over mix that batter. Now you can incorporate your dry ingredients. You can do this slowly so you can make less of a mess than I did. Again, you really don't want to overdo this mixture, so once it looks like it's well mixed together, you're done. Now you can include some fixins. I like chocolate chips, my wife likes walnuts, so I'm going to do half and half in my banana bread. Grab yourself a loaf pan and we're going to prep it for the batter. So you're going to butter it and you're going to flour it. Then just pour in the batter and level it off. Put it into the preheated oven for about 55 to 65 minutes. You want to start monitoring it at the 55-minute mark. Use the toothpick test to make sure your banana bread is ready but not too dry. So once the toothpick doesn't have any batter on it after it's inserted, your banana bread is done and is ready to be taken out and cooled. And that's it. If you had a chance to follow along and make your own banana bread, you just made a delicious dessert. Comment below to let me know how yours went. Like if you liked the video and subscribe if you want to see more like it. Thanks for watching. See you when I see ya.